Hi everyone, how are you doing? It's Lucia Turok here and welcome back to another property tour. Today we are in Westminster and I will be touring this 2-bedroom apartment which is listed with Andrea from Century 21. I'm taking also photos, floor plan and 360 virtual tour of this apartment. So if you would like to explore it on your own and to walk from the room to the room by yourself, click the link in the description box. We are on the second floor with the lift of purpose-built building. This apartment has 1,128 square feet. Why am I always starting in the living room? Because I feel you spend most of your time right here. This is a very spacious and modern apartment which was recently completely refurbished. As you can see, it's very modern with the spotlights and hardwood floor in the living and dining area. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who has the most beautiful home? I really love that mirror in the dining area and especially on this wall because you can always check your makeup after your meal. And especially mirrors are enlarging your space in your home. This beautiful living room is modern, spacious and has a lot of elegant furniture. But what I want to point it out is great view on Vincent Square. What a lovely view! Let me take you to the kitchen. Kitchen is separated from living and dining area. All the appliances are new and built in from brand Zanussi. And I really love this hanging area. You can put your pots and pans here. What do you think, guys? Let me take you to another room. Wow, so this is the first bedroom. As you can see, it's really nicely decorated. The bed is huge, king size, and it's really tall. And you have a built-in wardrobes and furniture from Neville Johnson. And yes, I mean, you can sit here. You can use it as an office, or if you have a kids, maybe it can be a study. What do you think? I like it. And let me show you wardrobes. So you have plenty of storage here. In both bedrooms, you have carpet. And let me show you to the bathroom. Bathroom is very bright. You have a bathtub here. Huge mirror, which I love as well. From family bathroom, we are going back to hallway, where you can see the full wall of shelves. What do you think, guys? What do you use it for? Maybe books, shoes, or decoration? Let me know in the comments down below. Now we are going to principal bedroom. Wow, it's huge as well, with beautifully decorated in neutral colors, with a king-size bed as well. And then you have a sofa chair here, where you can take a seat and maybe you can enjoy like watching your iPad or you can read a book. How many of you are reading books now? Then you have a built-in wardrobes. Let me show you inside. You have a lot of storage here in whole apartment. And very nice detail of the handles. Very great idea. And this principal bedroom has ensuite bathroom. Let me take you there. These black and white colors gives me really Chanel style. You have a shower here. Wow, it's really huge, probably like for 3 people. That's pretty much everything. Let me take you back to the living room. Would you like to know more, or are you looking for a property in London? Contact us. I will leave you all the details down in the description box. If you would like to see my 360 virtual tour, then click the link in the description box as well. I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more property tours like this, and I hope that I will see you in my next video. Bye!